Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a System.io account. This platform is a fantastic all-in-one solution for building sales funnels, managing email campaigns, and running your online business. So setting up an account is the first step to accessing all these powerful tools. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Start for Free now. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your entry point to begin the registration process and start exploring what System.io has to offer. After clicking, you'll be taken to a registration page where you need to enter your email address, type in the email you want to associate with your System.io account, then click the button labeled Get My Free Account. This step initiates your account creation and lets the platform know where to send important information and confirmations. Next, a pop-up message will appear on your screen. This pop-up contains a few quick questions designed to help System.io personalize your experience. For each question presented, simply click the circle next to your preferred answer. These questions are usually about your business goals or what you plan to use the platform for, so answer honestly to get the most relevant recommendations. Once you've answered all the questions, you'll need to enter your email address again to confirm, then click Submit. This double entry step ensures that your email is correct and that you'll receive all necessary communications without any issues. After submitting, you'll be given options to access your email directly from the platform. You can click either Open Gmail or Open Outlook depending on which email service you use. Select your preferred option to make checking your inbox more convenient. If you prefer, you can also manually open your email in a separate tab. Now head over to your email inbox and look for the confirmation email from System.io. It should arrive within a few moments. Once you spot it, click on the email to open it. Inside, you'll find a link or button that says click here to confirm your email address. This confirmation step is crucial because it verifies your email and activates your account fully. After confirming your email address, you'll be redirected back to the System.io website. From there, simply click the login button to access your newly created account. You're now ready to start building funnels, setting up email campaigns, and exploring all the features System.io has to offer. And that's it, you've successfully created your System.io account and can now dive into building your online business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.